In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock the Alucard, Zero, and Vassal outfits in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to unlock all of these outfits. So first, for the Alucard outfit, you will need the Castlevania DLC. So you go to the Castlevania biomes at the start, you play all the way until you defeat Death, and after you have beaten Death, Alucard will instruct you to go to the Clock Tower. So past the Stilton Sanctuary biome, in there defeat the boss, Alucard will meet you there, and this will give you the option to go back to the castle. When you beat the castle biome all the way, Alucard and Richard will meet you here before facing Dracula, and they will give you the outfit. Now, for the Zero outfit, you will need a specific melee weapon. This is going to be Hattori's Katana. So, acquire Hattori's Katana during a run, and you have to kill enemies using the special attack from this katana to unlock the outfit. Specifically, you need to kill 15 consecutive enemies with Hattori's Katana without getting hit. So use the dashing strike from the katana, kill 15 enemies and don't get hit while doing this. If you do it without getting hit, you will unlock the Zero outfit. Finally, the last one is going to be the Vassal outfit. For this, you will need to use the Pure Nail to bounce 8 times. So 8 times. The Pure Nail is going to be a weapon that you can acquire by going to this room in the prisoner's quarters. So there is a chance for a lore room to spawn with a bench on it. If you examine this bench, the nail is going to drop, so you can pick it up to unlock it permanently. This melee weapon can be swung above and below, as well as horizontally. So if you swing and you bounce off a surface, you will be able to repeat this 8 times to unlock the outfit. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you will help us make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.